Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. I hope all of you are keeping safe. Now children, as we begin our new academic session, we should start preparation for 2022 exams. Children, as you know, this year for 2021, the physical examinations for the boards were not conducted and the children were evaluated based on their performance of class 9th as well as of class 10th. So children, don't miss any exam. Take all the exams and the test seriously. So that will benefit you in preparation of your board exams as well as if any continuous evaluation process is there and your result is good, definitely that will give you a better result in your board mark sheet, right? Children, as you know, this channel is for computer application subject. Until now, there is no update from ICSE Council for the syllabus for 2022 exams. But we assume and prepare the syllabus as per the previous year syllabus. I don't think so. There will be much changes and very less possibility is there for any change in computer application subject. As it is, few topics were reduced from 2021 syllabus also, and keeping that in mind, we are considering 2021 syllabus as the syllabus for 2022 exams also. If any update will be there, I'll let you know. Now children, in this video, I am going to give you the link of the playlist which I have prepared specially for 2022 board examination children. And if you check the syllabus link is also there in the description box. If you check the syllabus, you have the topics. The first topic is there, revision of class 9th syllabus. Yes children, around 30 to 40 marks paper is set from class 9th syllabus in computer application subject. So I suppose that all of you are very well prepared with your class 9th syllabus. So for this topic, we have 38 videos on our channel. So please check those if you are prepared. Many quizzes are also there. Questions are there. Solve that. And before starting your class 10th syllabus, I want all of you to prepare these 38 videos. The content of these 38 videos you should prepare very nicely. Then only you will not find any difficulty in preparation of the remaining topics of class 10th syllabus, because if the base, if the foundation is strong, then obviously the building will be strong. So I want all my class 10th children to prepare all the content from these 38 videos. Then we come to nested for loop. This topic was removed from class 9th syllabus last year when you were in class 9th. So this topic will be covered in class 10th, and for this topic we have 5 videos. Then the next topic is classes as the basis of all computation. 2 videos are there. User defined methods, we have 6 videos. Constructors 3, library classes 6, arrays 9, and string handling 6. Children, I want all of you to take out the printout of the syllabus which is provided by the board council. So the link is there. Please take out the syllabus, and as you prepare the topics, just put a tick mark. That will help you in checking which topics you have prepared and which you have not. As we are in the beginning of the session only, so my advice is that first you prepare these first 2 topics, and then according to your schools, whichever topic you are doing in school, you can just refer to those topics which are given in this playlist. So children, I suppose this video, the links which are there in the description box, all these playlist links are there. Please prepare them. If you want, you can just note down the names of the videos in the playlist in your notebook and just put a tick mark once you complete the content of that. Now there are many quizzes, mostly in all the topics we have quiz sessions. So that is self-evaluation tool it is. So you can just prepare the topic and then evaluate yourself how much you are prepared. If anything is lacking, you can just revise that topic again. Children, please prepare from the beginning of the session. Don't keep anything pending for the last moment, because we never know what will be the evaluation process for 2022 exams. So you should work hard from the beginning of the session and take each and every exam seriously. My best wishes are with each one of you. Wherever you feel any problem, please do comment in the comment section. I'll try to help you out. I'll be posting more videos on computer application subject for ICSE 2022 exams. Till then, please practice that. And apart from this playlist, we have a playlist of number programs. In that 10 videos are already there. So these videos, the number programs, always one program comes in the exam. You can have single loop, nested loop in number programs. So please try those programs. And if you have any doubt in any particular question, please post that question in the comment section. I'll try to make a video on that, and we all should work together to get the better result, to get better knowledge in the subject. Best wishes to all of you. Please share this video with your ICSE friends also. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. You can join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is there in the description box. Keep practicing, keep working hard. God bless you, children.